Hey, it's Trix! Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen my last video, I just bleached my hair in preparation for the most ambitious hair color I have ever tried. I'm going to be doing Prism hair, aka holographic hair. It is so difficult and it's going to be so time consuming, but I am ready. As always, I'm going to be using Iroiro colors today. I'm using their neon pink, yellow, and blue, and I'm going to mix the blue with some of their turquoise as well. Now, me and this pink have a little love-hate relationship. I love how it comes out, and it hates coming out. This is the neon pink from when I did my last rainbow. I have bleached over it. I have done bleach baths. I have done color removers. I have done everything to get this color out, and it is just here to stay. So, in honor of this not wanting to leave and the fact that there's a new Barbie movie coming out, I'm going to be doing the underneath of my hair all pink, and then the top section is going to be the Prism. Now, I have a square-shaped face, so I have a square hairline, and everybody else that I've seen has done the Prism hair to like here, just this top section. I want to do more. I want to go to like here. Now that's going to be a little difficult because if you don't know how to do Prism hair, you redirect it over your face. So of course this part is going to make it hard to see, but if I extend it outwards, it's going to be even harder to see. I had the brilliant idea to buy a face shield for this occasion. However, none of my stores around me have it in stock, so we're improvising today. And I'm going to be using this cardboard from a lovely box of off-brand Lucky Charms. I'm probably going to cut off these flaps because I think this part is long enough on its own. But yeah, I saw somebody use like book covers from like hardcover books to do it, and I figured this would be a little more sturdy. So we're gonna try this. It's not plastic, it's not see-through, but I am going to be putting plastic wrap over that so the hair color doesn't just seep into the cardboard. So let's mix up our colors. I should have enough yellow, but I'm making sure to do this around 5 before Sally's closes. So if I need more yellow, I can buy some. But yeah, let's get started and make the colors. Okay, I just sectioned off my hair and I swatched all of our colors. So this is the rainbow that we are going to be working with. I really love it. Last time I made the orange and green a little too yellow, so I made sure to make them more pink and more blue this go around. So hopefully when it fades, they won't just turn yellow. So I've seen some people do the rainbow section first and then the underneath. I'm going to do the underneath first. I know my hair looks really staticky right now, but I'm going to do the bottom first, all pink. And I mixed the pink with some conditioner. I mixed pretty much all the colors with conditioner, but really put emphasis on that pink. 1, to make it go farther, and 2, to hopefully make it a little easier to take out when I'm done with this color combo. I already know this is going to take a very long time, so I deleted pretty much everything off of my phone, so I have a lot to work with, and I can film every step of the way. So without further ado, let's get started on the pink. It is 6 p.m. No going back now. Let's see how long it takes me. I am so excited for the Barbie movie. I have seen so many clips from it already. I'm trying to be conservative with how many clips I watch because I don't want to like watch the whole movie essentially. I need a room that's just all mirrors. A circular room. It's just a mirror all the way around so I can see everything. Alrighty, pink is done. Now for the intimidating part. Do you think we should go get food now then? Alright, I've had my tacos, and as you can see, the pink is a little higher because I have caved to sectioning it like this instead. So there will be a little less rainbow, but it should be easier on me in the long run. And this, I really don't know if it's gonna work or not. What is the time, love? It is 8 o'clock. I was planning on doing this at noon, and then noon turned into 2 o'clock, and then 2 o'clock turned into 6, and now it is 8 o'clock. Gotta just roll with the punches. Okay, So here's... Here we go. Alright. I don't even know how to freaking start this. God. I'm already regretting all of my choices. Alright, so the key is to get teeny tiny see-through sections, and then we're going to do about 1 centimeter of each color. This is a very thin section, but that's what we want. You want them thin because you're only painting on one side. Oh, I hate that we have to start with the one in front of the face first. Alright, cannot see. So freaking silly. Okay. Ugh, I don't think this is gonna end up working. No. This is going to suck so bad. Not in the way that it'll look bad. Oh, I can stick it to the corner, to that side. I'm feeling suffocated. Why am I doing this? At least I'm filming it, so if I ever choose to do it again, I could watch this video and remember not to do it. What also is interesting to me is that I understand over-direction, you know, I really do. But my brain just cannot comprehend how doing it like this, like horizontally, makes it vertical at the end. It feels like I'm painting on my face, like it's so weird. Oh my god, I look so insane right now. Oh my goodness. Okay. I look like a... Oh my god. Don't do this at home, this is not safe. If you are a child, please have parental supervision. I am not responsible to anyone who suffocates. I'm only responsible for my own suffocation. Just painting my eye. I can't even see what I'm doing. I'm gonna get closer to you. Hello. I literally look like a horror movie character. Leatherface? No, rainbow face. It just went in my nostrils. Okay, yeah, this is not safe. Stop breathing. And just stop breathing and everything's gonna be okay. Alright, first one done. About, I don't even know, 100 more to go. I'm gonna count. I love counting. So, we're just gonna keep track like that. I cannot see anything. What the hell is this? I hope it gets easier. I feel like it's not. I feel like I'm just going to get progressively blinder. But I have hope, you know. Hope for the best, expect the worst. And I'm just hanging on to that hope right now. There better not be any blonde spots. There better not be any comments like you missed a spot because I can't see. Look at me. And I thought I was gonna do a bigger section. I saved myself. I really did. Is this correct? Am I doing a good job? Does this even help at all? I can't even... I don't think this even helps. I don't know what's worse, the box? We're trying to see through all of this. Okay, we just finished the third one. I am very tired and 40 minutes has now gone by. So, I'm going to chat back with you when we are done with 10 and then 20 and so on. Hello. We are now finished with 8. As you can see, there's green on the roots now. I'm doing 2 for every root color. So I just did my second green, and then I'm going to do yellow. The way that I'm doing it has kind of turned into like a triangle parting. So at the end, I'm going to try to end with pink. And actually there's not as many sections as I thought there would be. I thought there would be like 20 or 30 of them. But it looks like we're only going to have maybe 12, 15 at the most. Without counting the pink, this has only taken 2 hours. With counting the pink, maybe 3, which is still less than the 4 hours it took for my last rainbow hair. I've also been trying to keep the hair in the center, so I don't have to fish for them on the plastic wrap. Although I keep forgetting to do it right when I start, I've also found that it is easier to just do one go around with the whole rainbow and going and matching it up as you go. I feel like it also helps keep the hair in place too. Look, it's the bisexual flag. Okay, my phone's about to die, so I'm going to do the last section off camera, leave it in for about 2 hours, and then rinse it out with cold water. Here's my hair all complete. I am in love with this. I cannot believe that I did this. You know what I mean? Like, it's really crazy. Again, the over direction just blows my mind. I can't comprehend that this did that, but it is amazing. I like how it kind of has like a zigzag pattern. It reminds me of like a vintage sweater almost. But enough of me talking. Let me show you how it looks in the black light. I haven't seen it yet, so this is going to be my first look. It looks so good, not gonna lie. It's the end of the day and I am sweaty, so it does look a little oily, but I'm in love with this. The pink kind of looks orange. You see that? It literally looks orange on camera. That's crazy. Well, I'm fine with that. I love orange. Does it look good? Do you love it? I love it. If you want to get your own Iroiro colors, I do have a limited time discount code available. It is Goddess Misfit. So save some money at checkout, courtesy of moi. Honestly, this wasn't that bad. If I had to rate it on a scale like 1 to 10 of hardness, it looks harder than it actually is. I give it maybe like a 5 because it did take a long time, but my other rainbow, I would give it a 5.5 just for the sectioning. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I love you so much. Thank you again for 35,000 subscribers. My goal for this year is 50,000, so if you would like to help me reach that goal, hit that little subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!